What if the secret to a healthier prostate as you age was something you've been doing your whole life? For older men, daily masturbation might seem like a thing of the past, but science suggests it could be a game changer for prostate health. From reducing inflammation to preventing common issues like BPH, the benefits are hard to ignore. Yet, many men shy away from discussing it due to stigma or misconceptions. The truth is, regular ejaculation can help keep the prostate active, clear out stagnant fluid, and even reduce the risk of disease. It's not just about pleasure, it's about taking control of your health as you age. So why isn't this talked about more? Let's dive into the strange, fascinating changes that daily masturbation can bring to the aging prostate. As men grow older, their bodies undergo a series of natural changes, and the prostate is no exception. This small, walnut-sized gland, which plays a crucial role in reproductive health, often becomes a source of concern as the years go by. For many older men, the prostate begins to enlarge, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This enlargement can lead to uncomfortable symptoms like frequent urination, weak urine flow, or even the sensation that the bladder isn't fully empty. It's a common issue, but one that can feel isolating if not openly discussed. Inflammation is another unwelcome guest that tends to show up as the prostate ages. Prostatitis, or inflammation of the prostate, can cause pain, discomfort, and even flu-like symptoms in some cases. While it's not always clear why this happens, it's often linked to infections, stress, or even hormonal shifts. For older men, this can feel like yet another reminder that their body isn't what it used to be. But here's the thing: understanding these changes is the first step toward managing them effectively. The prostate's function also tends to decline with age, which can impact sexual health and overall well-being. Testosterone levels drop, and the gland's ability to produce seminal fluid may diminish. This can lead to a sense of frustration or even embarrassment for some men, especially when it affects intimacy. However, it's important to remember that these changes are a normal part of aging, not a sign of failure. By staying informed, older men can take proactive steps to support their prostate health and maintain a fulfilling lifestyle. So, what can be done to address these age-related shifts? While the prostate may not stay the same forever, there are ways to keep it functioning at its best. Simple lifestyle adjustments like staying hydrated and avoiding excessive caffeine can make a difference. But there's another, often overlooked strategy that might surprise you: regular masturbation. Yes, you heard that right. And that's where the story gets even more interesting. For many older men, the idea of daily masturbation might seem like a relic of their younger years, something they've outgrown or no longer have the energy for. But what if it could actually be a secret weapon for maintaining prostate health? Studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, can help keep the prostate in better shape as men age. It's like giving the gland a gentle workout, keeping things flowing smoothly and reducing the risk of stagnation. Think of the prostate as a factory that produces seminal fluid. Over time, if the factory isn't active, it can start to clog up. Regular ejaculation helps clear out old fluid and prevents the buildup of potentially harmful substances. This process not only supports the prostate's function but may also reduce the risk of inflammation or infection. For older men, this can mean fewer trips to the bathroom at night and a more comfortable daily life. But how does this work in practice? Let's say a man in his 60s notices he's starting to experience mild urinary symptoms. Instead of resigning himself to the idea that this is just how it is, he could incorporate daily masturbation into his routine. It doesn't have to be a big production, just a few minutes of self-care that could make a world of difference. Over time, he might find that his symptoms improve, and he feels more in control of his health. Of course, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's always a good idea to consult a doctor before making significant changes. But for many older men, daily masturbation can be a simple, enjoyable way to support their prostate health. And the best part, it's completely natural, free, and doesn't require any special equipment. So why not give it a try? After all, the benefits might just surprise you. Did you know that by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, YouTube starts recommending more content related to the same video. That's right, do it and stay up to date with your sexual health. Now let's continue. When it comes to prostate health, the connection between masturbation and the gland's well-being is more profound than many realize. For older men, regular ejaculation isn't just about pleasure, it's about maintaining the prostate's structural integrity. The act of ejaculation helps stimulate blood flow to the area, which can keep the tissue healthy and resilient. Think of it like watering a plant. Without regular care, it can wither, but with consistent attention, it thrives. Hormones also play a key role here. As men age, their testosterone levels naturally decline, which can affect everything from energy levels to prostate function. Masturbation helps regulate these hormonal shifts by promoting the release of feel-good chemicals like endorphins and oxytocin. This not only supports prostate health but also contributes to a better mood and overall sense of well-being. It's a win-win situation that older men can't afford to overlook. Let's put this into perspective with a real-life example. Imagine a 70-year-old man who's been feeling a bit off lately, low energy, mild urinary discomfort, and a general sense of stagnation. By incorporating daily masturbation into his routine, he might notice improvements in his energy levels, reduced prostate discomfort, and even a renewed sense of vitality. It's not magic, it's science. And the best part, it's entirely within his control. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular ejaculation can also help prevent the buildup of toxins in the prostate, which can lead to inflammation or even more serious conditions over time. By keeping things moving, older men can reduce their risk of complications and enjoy a higher quality of life. It's a small habit with big rewards, one that's worth exploring for anyone looking to age gracefully. So what's the takeaway here? Masturbation isn't just a youthful indulgence. It's a powerful tool for maintaining prostate health as men age. And as we'll see next, it might even play a role in preventing some of the most common prostate diseases. When it comes to prostate health, prevention is always better than cure. And for older men, that means taking proactive steps to avoid common issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostatitis. These conditions can be uncomfortable, disruptive, and even embarrassing, but the good news is that regular masturbation might help reduce the risk. By keeping the prostate active and healthy, older men can potentially sidestep some of these age-related challenges. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, is a condition where the prostate gland enlarges, putting pressure on the urethra and causing urinary symptoms. While it's not cancerous, it can still significantly impact quality of life. Research suggests that frequent ejaculation may help reduce the risk of BPH by preventing the buildup of stagnant fluid and promoting healthy tissue function. It's like giving the prostate a regular tune-up to keep it running smoothly. Prostatitis, on the other hand, is an inflammation of the prostate that can cause pain, discomfort, and even flu-like symptoms. For older men, this condition can be particularly frustrating, as it often comes and goes without warning. Regular masturbation may help by flushing out bacteria and reducing inflammation, making it a simple yet effective strategy for prevention. It's not a guarantee, but it's certainly a step in the right direction. Let's take a practical example. Imagine a man in his late 60s who's been experiencing mild urinary symptoms and is worried about developing BPH. By incorporating daily masturbation into his routine, he might reduce his risk of prostate enlargement and enjoy better urinary health. It's a small change that could have a big impact, and one that's entirely within his control. Of course, masturbation isn't a cure-all, and it's important to consult a doctor for personalized advice. But for many older men, it's a valuable tool in the fight against common prostate diseases. And as we'll explore next, it might also play a role in reducing inflammation and maintaining function. Inflammation is one of the prostate's biggest enemies, especially as men age. It can lead to discomfort, urinary issues, and even more serious conditions if left unchecked. But here's where regular ejaculation comes into play. It acts like a natural anti-inflammatory for the prostate. By clearing out stagnant fluid and promoting healthy circulation, ejaculation helps keep the gland functioning at its best. It's like hitting the reset button on inflammation before it becomes a problem. The prostate produces seminal fluid, which can build up over time if not released. This buildup can create a breeding ground for bacteria and toxins, leading to inflammation and discomfort. Regular ejaculation helps flush out this fluid, reducing the risk of infection and keeping the prostate clean and healthy. For older men, this can mean fewer trips to the bathroom, less pain, and a greater sense of control over their bodies. Let's break it down with an example. Picture a man in his 70s who's been dealing with mild prostate discomfort and occasional urinary urgency. By making ejaculation a regular part of his routine, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, he might notice a reduction in inflammation and an improvement in his symptoms. It's a simple, natural way to support his prostate health without relying on medications or invasive treatments. But the benefits don't stop at inflammation. Ejaculation also helps maintain the prostate's function by keeping the tissue active and responsive. Over time, this can lead to better urinary flow, improved sexual health, and a greater sense of vitality. It's a small habit with big rewards, one that older men can easily incorporate into their daily lives. So what's the bottom line? Regular ejaculation isn't just about pleasure. It's a powerful tool for reducing inflammation and maintaining prostate function. And as we'll see next, it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to holistic prostate health. While regular masturbation is a powerful tool for prostate health, it's just one piece of the puzzle. A holistic approach that combines lifestyle changes with healthy habits can make a world of difference for older men. Diet, for example, plays a crucial role in supporting the prostate. Foods rich in antioxidants like tomatoes, berries, and leafy greens can help reduce inflammation and protect the gland from damage. It's like giving the prostate a daily dose of armor against age-related wear and tear. Exercise is another key factor. Staying active helps improve circulation, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which are important for prostate health. Even simple activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can make a big difference. For older men, this isn't just about staying fit. It's about creating a body that's resilient and ready to handle the challenges of aging. Stress management is often overlooked, but it's just as important as diet and exercise. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on the body, including the prostate, by increasing inflammation and disrupting hormone balance. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or even spending time in nature can help older men stay calm and centered. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports both physical and mental well-being. Let's put this into practice with an example. Imagine a man in his late 60s who's committed to maintaining his prostate health. He starts his day with a brisk walk, eats a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and sets aside time each evening to relax and unwind. By combining these habits with regular masturbation, he's giving his prostate the best possible chance to stay healthy and functional. It's a comprehensive approach that pays off in the long run. Of course, no two men are exactly alike, and what works for one might not work for another. But by taking a holistic approach, older men can create a lifestyle that supports their prostate health and overall well-being. And as we'll explore next, it's also important to address the misconceptions that can cloud the conversation around masturbation and aging. When it comes to masturbation and prostate health, there's no shortage of myths and misconceptions, especially for older men. One common belief is that masturbation can deplete energy or harm the body as men age. In reality, the opposite is often true. Regular ejaculation can actually boost energy levels, improve mood, and support prostate health. It's not about draining vitality. It's about maintaining balance and function. Another myth is that masturbation is only for the young. This couldn't be further from the truth. For older men, masturbation can be a valuable tool for staying connected to their bodies and maintaining sexual health. It's a natural, healthy activity that doesn't have an expiration date. In fact, it can be even more important as men age, helping to keep the prostate active and reducing the risk of common issues like BPH or prostatitis. Some men worry that masturbation could lead to prostate problems, but research suggests the opposite. Studies have shown that regular ejaculation may actually reduce the risk of prostate cancer and other conditions. It's not about overdoing it. It's about finding a rhythm that works for your body and supports your health. For older men, this can mean a better quality of life and fewer worries about prostate issues down the line. Let's clear up one more misconception: that talking about masturbation is taboo or embarrassing. The truth is, it's a normal, healthy part of life, and one that deserves to be discussed openly. By breaking down these barriers, older men can feel more comfortable exploring ways to support their prostate health and overall well-being. It's about creating a culture of openness and understanding. So what's the takeaway here? Masturbation isn't something to be ashamed of or avoided as men age. It's a natural, beneficial activity that can play a key role in maintaining prostate health. By letting go of these misconceptions, older men can take control of their health and enjoy a more vibrant, fulfilling life. So what's the takeaway? Daily masturbation isn't just a youthful habit, it's a powerful tool for maintaining prostate health as you age. By keeping the gland active and reducing inflammation, it can help you feel more in control of your body and your life. Why not give it a try and see the difference it can make? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips for your sexual health. Also, watch this video that's appearing on the screen. It's just as important. Click on it now.